Welcome back to our channel, Everything with the Lenders. Our channel is fairly new, so I'm pretty sure a lot of people that's coming, this is their first time coming, so I want to say welcome to you all. And if you like what you're seeing, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can get updates on every time we post a video. And then go to the comment section down below and comment videos you would like to see from us so that we can give you guys what you want. So from this title, you already know what it is. We are about to organize our refrigerator. Something that needs to be done really bad, okay? And I just realized this today because this is my first time doing a grocery run, a big grocery run in our new home. We are first time home buyers, if you didn't know. But how can you know? Because this channel is very new. So we are first time home buyers. We just bought a home. We just moved in. We're not even all the way settled yet, but we want to take you guys along with us as we do everything, okay? You're going to learn so much about us. And we want you guys to. We want you guys to come into our home, come into our lives, and just love on us. And we want to love on you. And with that being said, I'm going to get started. So this is what we're working with. It's very small. And it's packed. It's really packed. So what I'm about to do is just take everything out and put it on my counter. I already have some stuff on here that I couldn't even fit in there from when I went grocery shopping. And I'm going to tell you guys what we're going to do next. So, keep watching. Oh, Lord. So as you can see, I am cleaning out the refrigerator. I'm just using soapy water. I didn't want to use any chemicals, anything harsh where we keep our food. I didn't think that would be a good idea. So I am just using soap and water. I'm cleaning out everything. I'm washing all of the containers, wiping down. Disclaimer, I did step out of the camera view for a very long time on some parts, so I did do some editing here, a lot of editing. So I just wanted you guys to know that the refrigerator is squeaky clean. I did wipe everything down and wash everything out. So in the next clip, you're actually going to see me show you everything that came out of the refrigerator, placed on our island, and that's it. So right here, I am going to show you what we purchased for the refrigerator throughout the video as I'm going along. But if you like anything you see, look in the description below and I'll have the link to whatever I purchased. I purchased everything from either Bed Bath and Beyond or Walmart. Now, of course, Bed Bath and Beyond is more on the expensive side and Walmart was more affordable, but I did love everything that I purchased. I didn't use everything, which you will see later on in the video, but I am going to use those pieces that I didn't use for our pantry. So hope you guys are enjoying the video and keep watching. About to show you guys how it looks, so stay tuned. I love how my refrigerator came out. It is so much better than before. Yes, I do think it's a few things that I would change later on, but for the most part, I love it. The only thing that I feel like me and my husband have to work on is not putting so many drinks in the refrigerator so that we can have more room for other things. But besides that, I am in love with it. It was fun to do, and I hope you guys like it too. If you like it, let me know in the comments below. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because it does help my channel to grow. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, to our channel, the Landor family, everything with the Landors.